Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the poem The Ball Poem. Poet is John Berryman. A boy loses a ball. He is very upset. A ball does not cost much, nor is difficult to buy another ball. Why then is the boy so upset? This is the question, and you have to try to know the answer of this question when you read this poem. Read the poem to see what the poet thinks has been lost and what the boy has to learn from the experience of losing something. Now, see the poem. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What? What is he to do? I saw it go, merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over there it is in the water. Dear children, it is clear that the boy has lost his ball. He learns for the first time in his life what it is like to experience the loss of his possession. The ball symbolizes his childhood memories. The ball is the valuable possession of the boy. He sees it bouncing down the street and landing in the water. This ball has been with him over a long time. It forms an integral part of his childhood memories. It also implies that the boy's innocence is being replaced slowly by the experience of life when he shall be losing and gaining many things. It may also mean the startup of his gaining maturity. Next lines. No use to say, oh, there are other balls, and ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. As he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. Dear children, there is absolutely no use to say that there are other balls. The boy will get other ball, but this particular ball stands lost forever. He is emotionally shaken at the loss of this ball, which signifies his childhood memories. He undergoes the process of losing things in life and stands transfixed due to it. He stands trembling and staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. The boy feels that his childhood innocence will never come. This is the grief that nearly shocks him over the loss. Now, see, next lines. I would not intrude on him. A dime, another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. The poet says that he would not give the boy any money for a new ball, as this new ball would not substitute what the boy has lost. A realization of responsibility dawns for the boy when he loses the ball. He cannot find the ball, which symbolizes his sense of possessions. He realizes that the sense of belonging and possessing things in life is a hard reality and he must learn it. From this loss, the boy is learning what is it is to lose one's possessions in a world of possessions. He would buy things, but the lost things would never come back. See, in your book, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always, little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Money is external. The poet generalizes the things that people will take the balls. Balls will be lost, but these would never come back. The boy would never be able to get his lost ball, and for that matter, no one will be able to. The ball is a personification of the boy's innocence. It gets into the process of vanishing and being replaced by the real experiences of life in the form of gains and losses. Money is external as it cannot buy the things lost forever. Money cannot buy back the sweet memories of childhood that stood attached with the ball. He is learning well behind his disparate eyes. The epistemology of loss, how to stand up. Knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days, how to stand up. The poet states that the boy is learning to bear the loss of ball. Loss of ball means his sweet memories of his childhood. In a world of possessions, it implies that as every man has to stand up after the losses, so will the boy. The boy will also learn what it is to lose one's possessions and to stand up again to bear those losses. The cycle of life must go on. The boy shall soon learn what it is to suffer the losses of his possessions like other men. This phenomenon of losses and gains shall continue till life remains. Dear children, you should be careful about a symbolism. This is a poetic device where an object, person, or situation suggests and symbolizes another meaning other than the literal meaning. Always remember the ball symbolizes the boy's childhood innocence and his possession. And in this way, you can understand this poem easily, read again and again this poem, and listen this video again and again so that you may understand. Thank you.